The global defense industry continues to undergo rapid transformation as the need for military technological independence and Air Force modernization grows. One project currently under global scrutiny is the development of Turkey's next-generation fighter jet, the Kaan. This national fighter jet symbolizes Turkey's strategic ambition to become a major player in the modern military aviation industry. A step inside the Kaan prototype assembly line reveals how modern manufacturing technology plays a key role. The production facility is designed with a modular concept, allowing each aircraft section to be assembled in parallel to improve time efficiency and quality. The process begins with the main frame structure, or fuselage, which uses advanced composite materials to reduce weight while increasing structural strength. The aircraft's panels are manufactured with high precision using computer-based automated machines. Digital twin technology is also used to ensure that every component is assembled according to the digital design. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Kaan is its application of stealth technology. Within the assembly line, technicians employ special procedures to ensure the aircraft's surfaces have low radar cross-section characteristics. Special coatings of materials are applied to certain surfaces to absorb radar waves. Is equipped with a sophisticated avionics system that functions as the aircraft's digital brain. This system integrates various sensors, radars, and mission computers into a single, integrated network. Pilots can obtain real-time situational information through modern digital displays. Modern fighter jets require superior detection capabilities. Kaan uses an active electronically scanned array radar, which can track multiple targets simultaneously with high accuracy. In addition to the radar, the aircraft is equipped with electro-optical and infrared sensors that enable target detection without actively activating the radar. Kaan is designed to have supercruise capability, which means flying at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. This capability improves fuel efficiency while extending operational range. The optimal aerodynamic design also provides high maneuverability, allowing the aircraft to excel in both close and long range. Air combat, one of Kaan's key advances, is its ability to operate within modern combat networks. The aircraft can share data with other platforms such as drones, ground radars, or other fighter aircraft in real time. This concept allows for more effective coordination and increases the overall effectiveness of military operations. KAA and adopts a modern digital cockpit with large screen displays and intuitive interfaces. Several systems are designed using artificial intelligence (AI) to assist pilots in threat analysis, navigation, and weapon system management. The Kaan assembly line consists of several critical stages before the aircraft is ready for testing. The first stage is the integration of the main structure, where the airframe, wings, and tail section are assembled into a single framework. Next, the avionics system is installed. This system includes radar, sensors, mission computers, and communication networks, which serve as the brains of a modern fighter aircraft. The latest generation of avionics allows pilots to obtain comprehensive situational data. The next stage is the installation of the propulsion system and engines. Engine integration is a highly complex process involving electronic control systems, cooling, and fuel connections. Each step must undergo rigorous quality control to ensure operational safety. The Kaan assembly line also demonstrates how automation has become a vital part of the modern aviation industry. Industrial robots are used for precision welding, panel drilling, and the assembly of small components that require high accuracy. However, human intervention remains crucial. Engineers and technicians are responsible for final inspections, system testing, and fine-tuning of details that require manual skills. The Kaan program arose from Turkey's need to replace its aging fighter fleet and create a fighter platform capable of competing with the world's fifth-generation fighter jets. As geopolitical challenges and air defense requirements grow more complex, Turkey has decided to develop a domestically developed fighter jet through a collaboration between national industry, local engineers, and international partners. The project's primary goal is not only to produce an advanced fighter aircraft, but also to build a domestic high-tech ecosystem. The program involves various technology companies, research centers, universities, and manufacturing facilities working in an integrated manner. After the assembly process was completed, the Kaan prototype underwent a series of rigorous tests. These included structural tests, electronic system tests, flight simulations, and ground tests before finally making its maiden flight. Data from each testing phase was used to improve the design and performance of subsequent prototypes. This iterative approach helped ensure that the aircraft met the desired operational standards. The assembly of the Kaan prototype reflects not only technological advancements, but also Turkey's strategic ambitions in the global defense industry. By developing a national fighter jet, Turkey hopes to increase its defense self-sufficiency and open up future export opportunities. Furthermore, the project encourages technology transfer and human resource development, creating a new generation of engineers capable of competing internationally. Going forward, the Kaan is envisioned as a multi-role fighter platform capable of operating in a variety of scenarios, from air superiority to data-driven network operations. Behind the Kaan fighter's impressive appearance lies a long and complex process that takes place within the prototype assembly line. From digital design and structural integration, avionics, system installation, to thorough testing, each step reflects the high standards of the modern aviation industry. This program is not just about creating a new fighter jet, but also about building technological independence, enhancing national industrial capabilities, and strengthening Turkey's position on the global defense map. The Kaan assembly line symbolizes how innovation, collaboration, and long-term vision can produce future technologies ready to face the challenges of the modern era.